Seasonals show you how an asset has historically performed at different times of the year and over different years, and it's a great piece of data to base your future predictions off of. All you have to do on TradingView is open up the chart of the instrument that you want to look at, head over to the top right, click on the bookmark looking menu with lines on it. Then go to the tab where it shows you the price and ticker for the instrument you're on, scroll down. You'll go to the seasonals tab, but let's make this a little bit bigger. Click on more seasonals at the bottom. Then go back and X out of this bookmark tab by clicking on it. There's a lot of stuff here, so let me break it down for you. Right now, our chart is showing the performance of Nvidia up until 2021 to 2026. Now, say we want to expand this, all you have to do is go to the lower bound of the timeline and just let's move it to 2011. Perfect. Now we have 2011 up to every single year until 2026 showing Nvidia's performance. You can see that our chart is a percentage one right now. Simply click on percent on the top right, make it go to regular. Now it's a price one. You can also get an average line by just clicking on average. If you don't want to look at a chart, go to the left-hand side and click the cells button. Now you can see it in cells spaced out between months. And if you don't want to look at Nvidia, go to the top left, click where it says Nvidia to symbol search. Let's look at Apple. Just click on Apple. There you have it. Have a great day, guys.